So what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of podcast. And today will be the last episode. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to the fans out there in the podcast watching and listening to my podcast, and this will be the last episode. Yesterday, the Stephen Curry story. Now I decide to end this episode because number one, no viewers are watching on my podcast. Although I tried to be inspired from Charo Santos, it failed. And I'll just focus on gaming instead. Number two, I have a plan to replace that show, which is still in my mind. What can I place it there? May it be like an reality show, talk show, to at least some gain viewers. And it's so very sad that it was expected to end on August 10, 2024, but since my podcast flopped since episode 7, I decide to stop this because none of people will watch my podcast. You can just rewatch my podcast episode 1 to 17 if you want to. It's so very sad that I have to end this podcast because it flopped. I admit that. I should have focused on other things like anything that I decide in my life. Like I could have focused on advanced studying for grade 12 because it's very hard. Then I decide to, you know, enjoy myself. I do not stress about this podcast, so I decide to stop this podcast. And maybe in August 10 I will return, but live stream sessions. Now guys, if I want this podcast to return, you could have at least listened to me that feature your story, but you didn't. Now, I need to be true to myself. I need to improvise my plans. I will stick to gaming if I want to. Or I will move my podcast channels to the other accounts. Or I will use that account as the main podcast channel and I will transfer some of it to the gaming channel. What do you think, guys? Should I continue the podcast next week by using that account and rebrand the name into the Connection Stories of Us podcast, or I will make a new account for that podcast channels, or I will stop once and for all to take things in my mind. So I'm giving you 1 week to I'm giving you guys 1 week to decide what will I do on the podcast. So the fans here of Connection Stories of Us, I'm sorry this will be the end of episode. And I'm trying my best to have viewers, but in the end, I still failed. And I don't want to be a laughing stock, so I stopped the podcast. And I know it hurts that I have to end this early than the anticipated time, August 10. So I think for now, for the span of 1 week, I'm gonna focus on gaming channels. May it be Roblox. And maybe I'll try live streaming for Roblox or any games I think for 1 day or 2 days at least. So guys, see you around and I hope that whatever is your response, I will follow it. I will keep my words. Or I'll just have a game show probably, but just a cheap price. So that's it guys. I'm ending the podcast already. It will be the very end. Stephen Curry's story is the last episode that I feature. Goodbye. Goodbye for now.